Guy, top achiever in terms of International Best Actress.
Welcome back po muli sa aking channel. Kung first time po ninyong manood, don't forget to click like and subscribe.
Hindi na talaga maiaalis ang tatak Nora Honor. Sa May 19 nga po ay showing muli ang Bona kung saan kasama niya si Philip Salvador at ito'y nagkaroon ng restoration. Kaugnay ng Carlota Films ay ipapalabas itong muli. Yan talaga naman ang lalim ng acting ng nag-iisang superstar at talaga namang masarap balikan ng sinabi ni Celia Rodriguez tungkol dito.
Ulan daday kinorono.
Celia Rodriguez, napakalaki ng paghanga at respeto sa kahusayan ng nag-iisang national artist. She said she's always been a fan of Nora Honor. Opo, ganon na lamang ang paghanga at respeto sa kahusayan ng acting ng superstar ang nag-iisang Miss Celia Rodriguez.
I've always been a fan of Guy. Somebody asked me, what can you compare by the Guy to Vilma? Sabi ko, we need, Vilma is my commander, you know, and Guy is my kababayan. When it comes to depth, yung lalim, hugot, ulan daday kinorono. Pero bang hugot ni Guy eh. I mean, she's the only one I know na kahit nakatalikod, nag-acting yung mata, nag-acting yung kanyang shoulders, nakatalikod siya. When it comes to depth, yung lalim, hugot, ulan daday kinorono.
Ang tunay at totoo kaya naman top on the list na may pinakamaraming international awards ang the one and only national artist. Saan ka pa? Ang mga pelikula ay tunay na makabuluhan at talaga namang itinatampok mulit-muli.
He's the only one I know na kahit nakatalikod, nag-acting yung mata, nag-acting yung kanyang shoulders, nakatalikod siya.
Dinagdag pa niya that acting is body language and it takes too many great directors to learn how to do it. And ang ating pambansang alagad ng sining ay expert
It's more of a body language, not necessarily dialogue. Oh, yeah. And Guy is an expert on that. Kahit nakatalikod, umaarte ang shoulders. It takes a lot of experience and good directors to learn that.
Mata lang minsan.
Mata lang. No dialogue.
from an iconic and classic at haligi na rin sa industriya.
When it comes to depth, yung lalim, hugot, ulan daday kinorono. Ulan daday kinorono.
Talaga namang wala nang dadaig pa sa husay, pag-acting, at higit sa lahat, sa dami ng International Acting Awards. Top on the list. Iyan lamang po. Maraming salamat. Hanggang sa muli.